I could not finish in my last video. What should you do to learn English very smartly? By the way, I will try to finish in this video. What should you do to learn English fluently? Listen me carefully. There in that video, I have talked about two things, and first thing was reading, and second thing was speaking. Now in this video, I'll talk about listening and writing. You know better than me that to learn English we have to follow four things: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. I have already finished about talking, speaking, and writing. Now in this video I'll talk about listening and writing. To improve your listening power, you have to do certain things. You must listen daily, especially native speaker. You like sports, you like entertainment, you like to listen different kinds of research talk or podcast. So choose one thing from there and listen minimum 20 minutes every day. This will help you to learn English definitely, I guarantee you. If you listen daily, it will make habit in your heart. Whenever in the middle of the listening you missed any topic, you will feel thirst to listen that topic again. This good habit will bring you another level to learn English. So listen 20 minutes daily. It can be movie, it can be song, it can be a drama clip. If you want to listen daily song, you must listen 4 songs or 5 songs. That is maybe duration 5 minutes or 4 minutes. And if you want to watch a movie, it is so much big and its time duration is long. You can watch a drama that is 10 minutes or 20 minutes. These all things, music, movie, and drama will help you to improve your listening power, listening skill. That's it. And another thing is writing. Most of the people can speak little by little and they can understand what other people are saying. But there are many people who do not write very well because their vocabulary is not enough and they don't know how to write very well, maintaining sentence structure. Sentence structure is very unnecessary. Why? Because if you do not start writing, why is sentence structure is necessary to you? Just start writing, sentence structure will come to you automatically. Every day write minimum 10 sentences and read your sentences alone or loudly. You will get a good outcome. Whenever you go to write something about a topic, that time you need some vocabulary. You need some sentence structure. You are compelled to search the sentence structure and search the new word that is related for your topic you are writing. So sentence structure is unnecessary to you but necessary for your writing. You are forced to follow sentence structure. Yes, follow this structure, follow this instruction. Your writing, your listening capacity will increase very enormously, largely. I'm here always trying to improve, and day by day I'm trying to help another people to improve English, giving different kinds of motivation. Thank you so much watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.